from here into your world. Right, let's see.
I'm not going to try and drive it through the shed, but there's a TV monitor here looking into the shed so you can drive it.
The two of you, I mean, if you're really clever, you could have two controllers, operating two controllers at the same time. But... So how do we do that, Andrew?
On the outline, hang on. Up, bum, bum. That's a different control, it's blue. Yeah. We're going out your way. Look, you're doing this.
How's it comes it the other way?
I don't know. Totally lost. Right, okay. What he's got is a control panel. Yeah. And vice versa, you're going to bring it back on another track.
I'm just going to hold it there actually because I've got a loco and train already sitting in the station.
Whoa. Sack the signalman.
I didn't give you a line clear, did I?
Thanks.
Yeah, he's,
and you can turn the other one.
He's come off in a fairly major way.
Oops.
By the way, the Great Western Banana.
Yeah, I got a shock from that.
Really?
Yeah, thanks.
Did you?
Hang on, we're not on. What was that, Chris?
The Great Western Banana coach has suffered a gearbox failure.
Yes, I know. It whirs around and doesn't go.
Yeah.
So I'm not very good at this, and
choose a road to go into that hasn't got anything on.
Oh, I see. Link. Oh, hang on. Link F.
Yeah, so you've got, this is a reverse
No,
battery.
H.
So
One of the blind sidings was
Yes,
the
I've
sort
done. I've linked to H, I think.
yeah, and
Do I press the down on?
push.
down switch goes off. That's
way.
down.
Demolish the buildings.
So you have to imagine there's a platform there.
And Lewis then has to bell code you through. So call attention is 1.
So set that back to the top. That's why it's vertical.
So now Lewis calls you because he's got the train to go.
Can you say this thing?
I think it.
I don't think it picks up off the bogey, and I think it needs more lead.
Train entering section. You turn the switch now to train online. Okay. Train online. Which means it's under your control. Yeah.
They used to chunter on at sort of 45, 50 in the open track there.
About the right speed.
Just keep it there. When they identify themselves.
It was particularly unfortunate because it was the heat day after the
3-1.
It was, yeah.
Come and look at my railway and oh bollocks.
Then go.
And I give you line clear. Yeah.
What control does is put the whole of the junction yard, it bolts it on to the same electrical section that you're using on the branch.
Right.
Whether it's up or down. And you select which road it is coming in by the up and down switch. And the control to Yeovil Town.
There we go. So.
Oh,
It's
stop.
alright, it just needs a bit of a nudge.
You need a bit more juice, perhaps.
Yeah, just give it some more juice.
That loco, Laurie, seems to need quite a lot of power.
Yeah.
Look at that, we've sent the train to each other using bell codes.
It would be going at least twice that speed.
Oh, sorry.
On the open road. If you watch the old videos of them, the wheels coming around there would be going that sort of speed.
I can't really see the wheels from there.
So I need to give you train leaving section.
2. I think it's just 2.
Yeah.
And then I give you train online.
Basically, you've got call attention. A up is ding and respond. I'm all set to go is ding ding and respond. And right, we finished the move. It's back in this, wherever it's going.
I give you
ding ding ding.
That's it. That means it's arrived, and I'm going to put because on one layout it means I've connected the train in the fiddle yard, and you're ready to control it. That was the 2 dings.
You can't exactly mirror what the codes mean on the real railway.
No. Ding ding.
Yeah.
You're using it as a way of telling them you're ready to go.
Yeah.
You control
Pick it
that.
up, your turn.
Yeah. But it's good. You've got the bells working. That's really good.
Yeah, that
Starting
only
to get there.
started yesterday.
So signals next. Sorry?
Is it?
Well,
You didn't hear what I said.
Okay.
Next time it's signals.
Yeah.
little movement is there.
Yeah.
So the problem is at that end.
Hasn't even got
And I'm guessing
you've got a leaf
the
phone.
side of the world.
Yeah.
Right, so
Now it's cleared there, you can reverse from up to down. It's set up for you
Okay.
on yellow.
Right. Oh yeah, I see it. So
Up to down.
up to down. All right.
No. Well, okay, yeah, but you need up to down on the route as well.
On the.
Sorry. All right, yeah, I was getting them mixed up.
That's okay. Right. So that is that all good to go on
Yeah.
the yellow controller?
Yeah.
there?
So now you can do the yellow controller. Yeah.
All right.
Plenty of welling.
Yep. So that's all good. 8 and 9. Can someone give it a little?
sorry. We
Hello.
didn't quite get them crossing on the divide.
That's the fibre on it.
The silver one. It's on the middle of the three. No, the other one. That one.
Right. Sounds like a D.
Just mind Ian's signal box there.
No.
That is on this one.
It's pretty amazing, isn't it?
And it needs to be set this end as well. Andrew, do you want to just follow the points through and make sure that it's set for there, for this one?
This one?
Yeah, the inner main route.
Oh, right, yeah.
It'll be set to come into the.
This
it'll be right, we've got it at this end.
Or code and turn it on and it'll go.
Oh, right, okay.
You got a problem? You spotted something?
They are confusing those points. Aye.
What are we doing? That one?
Who's the guy in charge?
That's right.
Yeah, that's right.
Tim.
It's going to cross over, does it?
No, that's not straight on.
Okay.
Should go.
Yeah, he came to give us a lecture on the new lift.
There you go. Something good.
Went yesterday.
Because the thing is, when he brought it here, we could see it much more clearly. When you're at the exhibition, you can't get very close to it.
Have you seen his latest bit of
Yeah, let's just reverse it.
Because one goes the right way and the other goes the wrong way.
For the RAB. Let's reverse it.
For the AA. Might have pulled it up. They're new, yes. That was Alistair Campbell. I can't quite line this one up because I just need to put a couple of saw cuts into the 2x1 support to take the strengthener for the curved wing out of there. But
some bridgings.
yeah, Alistair, very nice. The only thing is that has
It's
just
working,
bowed
it's not
up a little
stopped.
bit, and I think that's because I've only just lipped it on
Yeah,
there.
then.
It would have been
Got
better
you.
if I'd had a longer piece and brought it back.
Yeah.
And then it would have been held.
Can someone?
Black
Oh
going
no, it's
across.
working. We got it.
Yeah, maybe. Or just a bit of a.
Look at this, Laurie.
Yeah, I see.
Yes. That's always my ambition, isn't it? I realise things can isolate it.
Without going. Obviously, full down. So you could. The idea. I mean, you've never actually wanted to do it. Yeah. Because by the time you've got yourself.
I had
the train that was zooming off at the junction with the reach out. But the idea was just to set the train going to the junction, and once we cleared station limits, then you could run an angle shot beyond the 200 control.
You need something to run those sorts of trains.
You set points and it automatically then energises the right road for you. So now I've set 8, or plus 8, and plus here. It only takes me about 10 minutes to work out if I'm ready to get back into this sort of gear, how it will work.
It's old-fashioned cab control,
Yeah.
but with a lot of flexibility built in.
Yeah. It's old-fashioned cab control, yeah. It's like Paulborough.
Yeah.
If you remember Paulborough. Which apparently is now being retired and now lives in Paulborough.
Right.
Yeah, double
There it is, isn't it? Yeah.
So,
That's one.
Yeah,
there's some sort of
there's something there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You've got 7 operational controllers.
We haven't had one on the Great Western Line yet, so who can send me a train on the Great Western Line?
And off onto the branch.
I think Tom's thinking about taking a train.
But you have to, or at least going this way, you just occupy the outer.
An engaged layout.
And they're even doing some spokey ones for the
Except the Peak District, I presume.
Try
Dapple.
I think I've
up and
seen
down
it.
too.
LMS.
LMS with that, yeah. Too long to get, well, I can't remember things. No, I know that's not products though, is it? So I'm modelling in 4mm P4.
Tom?
That's what I'm doing.
Harry
I quite like the other scale as well, so.
I've got the 4 mil.
Sorry, you know what
Have
they
you?
look like.
Not gauge.
Oh, right.
And I suggest to Tom and Lewis if they're playing with us. Because you take their toys away for a bit.